Namaste children, welcome to Crystal Maths. Today we are going to see the basic concepts in geometry. Let us start with the point. What is called as point here? Point is just a location or position. So in this board I am going to say that one, fix a nail over here or draw something in particular place. Particular place means which place? You ask the question. For that only, if I say that one dot, if I keeping one dot, you will come to know this place. Even we may be seeing that one in application form or any form, they will be keeping one dot for signing. Sign over here like that they will say. So, if they are saying a particular position or location is called as point. For the point, that is, it will not occupy any space and there is no length, no breadth and no height for that one. So, point is just a location or position we can tell. From the point we can develop further. If we are keeping the dots, that is points, continuously if I am keeping the points in both the directions if I keep, if without gap if I keep the points, it will form a line. Without gap, if I keep the dots like this, it will be forming a line like this. So, it is forming a line in this way. What is that line? If your continuous set of points extended in both the directions is called as line. From the point, it is line. The line can be straight like this. It might be straight or it might be curved. So, from the point we have two things are coming. One is line, another one is curve. What is curve? The curve is nothing but if you are drawing like this, the same line but with a little bend is called as curve. That curve can be in a small way as you are drawn in compass, like this also we can draw, and in this way also it's fine. It's a curve over here. Fine. From the line, we can develop ray as well as line segment. What is ray? Ray is if I am cutting this place. If I am cutting this portion over here, in this place means I will get two things like this. So, for these two are called as ray. Ray is what? It has one starting point and there is no ending point at all. It's called as ray. The same thing if I put cut in both two places if I cut, and only this portions if I take it one. Only this portion if I consider, this is called as segment. If I consider that portion alone, I will get like this. It's called as line segment, we can tell that one. So, this is called line segment. Let's come for the curve. From the point, we develop the curve also. In curve, it is developing into two parts. One is simple curve, another one is non-simple curve. What is simple curve? If I am drawing like this is simple curve. Even if I draw like this also simple, if I like this also simple. And if I am doing like this is all called as simple curve. Fine, it can be, even if I draw like this also it is simple. It's not crossing each other. It is not intersecting in its path. It is not intersecting in its path means it is called as simple curve. Suppose if you are drawing the curve like this is non-simple curve because in this path it is intersecting in particular point. In one or two places it can intersect. So this is called as non-simple curve. Okay. Now in curve we have two types of them. What are the two types? One is open curve, another one is closed curve. Open curve will be in this way. It has two endpoints over there. Even the puzzles what you are doing, that one in normal one, this is also called as closed curve. Even if I am just keeping the path open. This is open curve. Now you know the difference between the open curve and closed curve. Open curve means there is a gap between this one. So this is open curve. That is, it has two end points. Even what are the maze you are doing. In maze you can find that one. Sometimes it might be open, sometimes it might be closed. We can identify in that. Okay. Now come for the line segment. In line segment we have two things are there. Two lines in the plane which is intersecting. It's called as intersecting line, which will meet each other in any one particular point. It's called as intersecting lines. If two lines will never meet each other, how much if we extend also, it will never meet. Those kind of lines are called as parallel lines. Okay, now let us come for the practical examples for each and everything. Point. Point is just a location. We can give example as point for tip of pencil, tip of pen. Very sharp items we can give examples for point. Line. Line we can give example lightning. Because the best example we can see. We don't know where the lightning will start and what is the ending point. We don't know that one. And in one cup of noodles. If you are taking cup of noodles, in that, if you are taking one string alone from that, is it possible for us to find the starting and ending point? Quite difficult to be, right? So that is also another one example for line. And that line, that noodles is the best example for a curved line also. Because making the noodles in a straight way is little difficult, but if you are trying, it's possible. But curve. You are throwing a ball, you are shooting a ball in a basketball, or you are doing that one in, you are hitting a sixer in a cricket. That just to think the direction of the ball is going, that is nothing but the curve over here. Ray, example for ray. What is ray? Bow and arrow. If you are taking a bow and arrow, you know the starting point of bow. As well, it is ending point, we don't know that one. So, this is the best example for ray. If you see about the carrom board, your striker is there, you are hitting certain points, you are hitting that one and the coin is falling in the package. That line if you see, that is the line segment. Come for the simple curve. What is simple curve? Rubber band. If you are seeing the rubber band or any circle, that are all example for simple curve. Non-simple curve. Non-simple curve. The same thing we can see that non-simple curve in many occasions. If you are seeing the windows closed in this way or any loop, everything is an example for non-simple curve. We can tell that one. Okay. Open and closed curve. Open curve, we are seeing in so many places we can see the open curve. In maze we can see that one, or in regular, wherever we are turning in and out in our home, we can find the open as well as closed curve examples. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, immediately we can remember about the scissors. As well, yes, this is our best example for intersecting lines. Okay, what is for parallel lines? Parallel lines, immediately you can remember railway track. In railway track, both will be in this way, it will never meet. It will be in this, the distance between these two lines will be always equal. So, these are the life examples for the basic terms in this. If you remember the examples, you will not forget the definition for these things also.